Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can comment anonymously on Facebook group. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So what we're going to do over here is we're simply going to go ahead and go to the section of Facebook right over here and tap on this option of menu at the bottom right corner. Now I have simply tapped on groups. You're going to do the same to check out all of the groups you have. Then you're going to choose the group that you would like to comment anonymously. You're going to tap on it. Right when you're here in the write something section, you will find this option of anonymous post as well. So the first crucial thing that you have to remember is whether the group that you're involved in allows the anonymous post or not, or anonymous comments or not. So when you do this anonymous post, you can simply tap on this option of anonymous post and you can start doing the anonymous post itself. So let's say we're going to go ahead comment right over here, and you can tap on the profile like that, and you can tap on anonymous member, tap on got it, and now you're going to write a comment anonymously likewise. That is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.